Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert tables in Google Spreadsheet. To do this, first you will need to click on Insert, navigate to the tables, click on it, then on the right side you'll be able to pick a different preset for your table. In this case we're gonna go with the event task. Just go through this introduction and then click on Insert. Then we can adjust any values, so for example we can enter our tasks, their status, the name for the person, and also a stage, the deadline, and the notes if you want as well. And it goes for many different tables, there's different options. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.